So this is the setup of my new garden, guys.
At least it doesn't look good, but it saves me a lot from doing recycle. These are all cabbage.
It's okay, this one to be outside. But the problem is the water gets hot. The plants get hot as well.
And these are my lettuce. These are the peppers as well.
And this is our atsal pepper.
So I think you're the reason why I saw dead morning glory.
Last night there's a heavy rain and my plants right here, my seedling, was swimming like this. Kids are so excited to open packages. It would be nice to open packages for her.
So guys, this is what I did yesterday. So I put garbage bag in here. This is a thick garbage bag. And hopefully there's no leaks in this one. At the back of this styrofoam, right here, there is a hole, like all over in this area. There's a hole, but I put styrofoam under, and then I put packing tape all over so that it will be strong. And then after that, I put this garbage bag. And let's try to put water right now, if there's leaking or not, right? At least it doesn't look good, but it saves me a lot from doing recycle.
So this is the setup of my new garden, guys. Yeah, I'll show you cabbage. This is cabbage.
I'm just so excited. Like every day, morning, noon, evening, I visit them. Whenever I go outside, when I get back home, I check my hydroponic. It's just so cute.
So this is before quail area, but right now I use it in my hydroponic garden. Look at this. I think this is okra. I didn't know okra can grow hydroponic. And these are my cucumbers. They said you can have cucumbers in 45 days. Yeah. I'm just excited. Peppers, tomatoes, lettuce. These are my lettuce. It's still so tiny because this is late.
This is what it looks like. This is random. This one as well. Look at these tiny plants that growing in these plastic cups. These are all cabbage. Those are cabbage, guys. So these are the hydroponic, but I want this one transferred here in this area so that it's not so hot, because it is so hot there.
It's okay, this one to be outside, but the problem is the water gets hot. The plants get hot as well, so the roots got burned from the heat. So it's better just to transfer it here because it's not so much sun. But they get sun, but not so much. They get sun during afternoon, which is the sun is not so hot anymore like noon, because this one from morning to afternoon, this is gonna be hot. So it's not a good idea. Even though I have this screen, it's still hot, so I'll just transfer them here. I'm so excited for them to grow. And these are my ta-da! Yeah. They're growing, guys.
And these are my lettuce. I'll transplant them when they are good enough to transplant, like grows. And these are peppers. And these are my cucumbers. Yeah, these are the peppers as well. And these are my chilies that I need to transplant soon. These are my garlic. My spinach, kangkong, morning glory. This one. And
This is my garlic. And this is our atsal pepper. It's a normal pepper. And this is our spinach alagbati. And we have this malunggay tree. And those are spinach. We need more spinach though. These are our green onions, guys. You see? So right now, guys, I am studying for PPM because my plants don't have much PPM. So I'm in vegetarian stage. So I put 5 ml for 2 liters. And let's measure later if the PPM is enough. Those are A and B nutrients. And let's measure the PPM of this water. It's between 400 and we need 500 to 700. So we need to add more. So earlier I put 5 ml. And right now I'm putting 5 ml as well. A and B. So for 2 liters, I put already 10 ml each. It's 700 right now. And so this 700 ppm we will put here in our hydroponic.
PPM means parts per million, the concentration of minerals in the water that gives to the plant. Right now, I am doing medium feed PPM. Seedling stage range from 300 to 400 ppm. Early growth range from 550 to 1000. Early bloom to mid bloom 850 to 1050 ppm. Late bloom to ripen 700 ppm down to 500 ppm.
Yes, these are 500 above, so which is good. And right now we are going to put also at the others. Come here, open. Oh, let's open. Say hi.
Hi.
Mama, open. Dangerous for kids. No playing with Caesar, okay? Kids are so excited to open packages. It would be nice to open packages for her. Like the things that her favorites. In your birthday, Sophia, you can open your gifts. It would be nice seeing your excitement. Right? So, play with puppet. Yay! She likes this one, guys, because she likes to pop the bubble wrap like this. This is for my garden, guys, for my hydroponic garden. Sophia is such a behaved baby. Very good, Sophia. You listen to Mama. Very good. Very good, my love.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Mama, open. Ta-da! So this roof are extra. This is cheap and doesn't add any additional shipping fee. That's why I include this. And also this one. Yeah, this is for my hydroponic garden. This is for, I guess, for washing. No, it's not. It's a soap. It's for washing machine cleaner. Hey, no! This is toilet cleaner. Hey, no play. Show them. Yes. And this one as well. Show them. Yes. This one as well. Show them. So, my plan for this. This is small sponge. This. Oh. No! Like this. And then half. Hey! No! This is for my hydroponic, guys. And this way it's cheaper. Like this. And then you have to make a hole inside. You are going to put your hydroponic plants here, and stop.
Okay.
She wants to take it from me and show it to you guys. You're such a blogger, Sophia. And we are going to put the plants for hydroponic, and then we are going to put, I'll show you how to do it later because it's hard to do it here. This way it's more clean. I need to go outside to start my planting, Sophia.
No.
Help me, be. Put here. Go get and put here. Put here. More. There, oh. Oh. Gimme. There. Put. More. Oops. Very good, my love. Clap your hands. Yay. Very good. And also, guys, this one is 50 pieces and cost me 175 pesos all in all. And this one cost me 100 pesos, guys. So this is for seedling and this is for planting, hydroponic planting. And this is only for seedling. You see, they are very small, like, so that's it. It's like 1.5 inches by 1 inch. Ay, naku, dulor. Jo. Papit. Sophia. So I am making like this. So I'll show you how I do it. So chop in half, chop one more. So you have 4. And then scissor the edge so that it will fit to our cup. Chop in a half using cutter from the inside. So it looks like this. Cut with scissor. So it looks like this, and there's hole. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Ta-da! I have here seedling, so I am planning to put them here. But how can you do this? So I'm going to pull these seeds. There's a hole, and all you have to do is put it inside the hole. So the problem is these ones arrived late and I already have this. So if you have already seedling foam, all you have to do is put the seed here and then it will just grow like this, one each. I can't do this because once, like, I'm trying to make a hole here and then I accidentally damaged the others. It's not worth it, so this way is much better. So I put water here, guys. I think even absorbing water. So make sure the roots are under so that they can zip some water. Oh, super amazing. So this is it. So once it's all grow, you are going to put, like for example, this one. Ta-da! But as of now that they're still small, do like this. Look at this, guys. What is this one? Is he eating morning glory? I see no leaves anymore. He is the one. Look. You can know the trace. I have to remove you here, okay? Oh my god, I see some poops. You're pooping here? I think these are the poops. I see some poops. Is it a fertilizer here in my vegetables? Are you laying eggs here? Why it took me a while to catch you here? I think you were under the leaves. So I think you're the reason why I saw dead morning glory, dead spinach every day. Because you eat the bottom. Oh my gulay, I hope it's only you. No more brothers and sisters here. Oh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, you're so huge. Oh, and there's another one on my onions. Good morning, guys. So right now, I am replanting my lettuce because last night there's a heavy rain and my plants right here, my seedling, was swimming like this. So I am replanting them right now because I have a new kind of like this. I am trying to make them grow, guys, and then I will put them in a plastic cup after. Hopefully they grow, guys, because look at this, not standing anymore.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind, though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned.
So if you guys enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you and bye everyone.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.